The Tornos SAS 16 6-spindle screw machine is one of the fastest, most accurate high-volume production machines in the precision machining industry. They were designed for mid to high-level quantities and have been proven to be a popular and ideal choice for producing components in the medical, defense, firearms, IT, automotive, industrial, and many other mission-critical industries. Mitotec Precision has a quite knowledgeable, diverse, experienced, and creative team that understands the capabilities of the Tornos SAS 16 multi-spindle technology. Our team can utilize these machines to their maximum potential for our customers' critical production component requirements. We are capable of machining a wide variety of materials, and even with such a small machinable area, we can still hold tight tolerances up to 4/10, making for some of the most precise parts around. We're also able to machine several parts up to 10 times faster than if we were to use a single spindle machine, which saves time and money for our customers. If your part is too complex for the SAS 16, we also offer full CNC multi-spindle technology with the Tornos Multi-Swiss, which are ideal for producing more intricate and complex parts while maintaining high speeds. Any machine shop can make your parts, but here at Mitotec Precision, we're in the business of making parts that matter. Go to mitotecprecision.com or give us a call for your free quote today.